Lovac fans, by viewer request, I have my 2003 Hoover TurboPOWER 5000. And this machine I got was a total absolute wreck, and I brought it up to as close to factory specs as possible, even rebuilding the motor extensively, new front and rear bearing. That was a real treat. So we have 45 CFM at the nozzle. So let's see what this thing can do for my extreme carpet edge cleaning. I don't have any idea how well this thing is going to do. It's got a fairly aggressive brush roll. Get a little bit underneath here. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens. I think it has some pretty good carpet agitation, and I like the sound of the power nozzle. Listen to that motor wind down. All right, so obviously missed some there. We have a telltale line right here at the edge. I'm looking at the top. You know, it looks pretty clean, really. I can't say that I see any kind of like white orb, flower anywhere. Might not be perfect, but it really looks pretty good. You know, that's just for one pass. And underneath, yeah, it didn't touch anything. We got a little bit of carpet pore clogging. Didn't really expect a whole lot out of that. But overall, I mean, a fairly decent surface cleaner, right? It's not going to like win any awards or anything like that. So, very unusual request. I don't get too many requests to see this guy. So I don't have too many canisters, but I got a few, and this is one of them. All right, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.